Welcome home, y'all. Today I'm going to show you how to do an 18 by 24 art portfolio case out of 3 poster boards. Okay, let's get started. So what you're going to need are 3 poster boards that I got at Dollar Tree, and then what you're going to do is split them by 8 inches each, so you're going to end up with 4 pieces. So then you're going to end up with 4 pieces, but hold on to this piece because we're going to work on it later. But for now we're going to use these 3 parts of the poster. And then you're going to use the fan fold method with a sharp edge, such as my ruler, and you're going to do this for 3 parts of the poster. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hot glue along the sides of the fan folds against the edges of your poster. So it's going to be like so. And then you're going to use that little sliver of the last poster in order to fix the edges of your portfolio case. So from this point you're going to use the little sliver of the poster and you're going to eyeball it at the edge of your portfolio case. And then once I glued it or taped it down, I then again went ahead and eyeballed it again in order to match it up against the fan folds. Now this is just me trying to show you guys what it's looking like, where I cut the slivers of the poster and I'm just taping it down so that it lines up with the fan folds that I made with the 3 parts and also the little sliver that we cut up before. And here again I'm just showing you doing the same thing on the other side, but I'm showing you the way I'm cutting it and the way I'm measuring it, and I'm just eyeballing it basically, and I'm just going to glue it down and so that I could align with the bottom part of the portfolio. So now I'm showing you the last final steps is where you glue along the sides of the 3 parts of the portfolio case, and then you're going to use your last poster board in order to complete your portfolio case. And then what you're going to do is you're going to poke holes in order to place your string or your yarn. And this is the final look. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy and cheap for you, because it was for me. I know as an art student that materials can get really pricey, and so I just wanted to make your life easier. So I hope you enjoyed. Alright, jeema out.